operate Bosch washing machine, make sure that the main switch is on. Open the lid, put the clothes inside and close. Open this cover and load the soap inside. Twist this knob to operate or turn on the washing machine. Once you have selected the program you want to choose, press this button right here. Once you're done, you can open the lid back and close. To turn off, twist this knob back to its main position. The washing machine will lock once you press this play button right here. And once it's done, you can open the lid back again. Twist this knob here and turn off the main switch.